Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove credit card from Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first step would be is just to open up your Cash App mobile application. And after that, you will be needing just to go to your linked account so you can get your Cash App uh, credit card that you want to remove. And simply to do so, we will be needing just to go to the Cash App application, and from there you will need just to get to your profile picture. So by clicking on the profile picture, it will take you to the settings or to this similar view. So from here, you will find this menu for the account and settings. So here you can change your personal information, and basically here where we are interested to go so we can be able to remove the credit card. By clicking on link the banks, you will be uh, prompted or redirected to this page, and from here you will find all your linked banks. And basically now you can just choose any credit card that you would like to delete, and make sure that you already have a replacement because you need at least one linked account so you can have a transaction or so the money can be flowing. And basically you will need just to click on the credit card that you wanted to delete. So basically let's suppose this is the credit card. You click on it, and basically you will find the choice of that says delete credit card or credit account. So you click on it, and basically you will have your credit card that will be deleted from your account, and of course after confirming your identity, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.